Welcome. Can you believe that we have learnt more than 50 new words? And with the root words learnt, we can add hundreds of words to our vocabulary quickly. In this video, we are going to learn words with the root mania. Mania means craze or madness.
That's crazy!
Logomania means abnormal talkativeness. Sometimes logomaniacs talk so much that it gets difficult to understand them.
At best.
Look, if we're trying to replace Giambi, this guy could be it.
I agree. Yes.
Dipsomania is alcoholism. It is the uncontrollable urge to drink alcohol. Bibliomania is being mad about books or reading.
I like books?
Onomatopoeia is an abnormal obsession with words or names.
Again.
Kleptomania is an obsession to steal things without any need or economic motive.
And they stole. You stole!
An egomaniac is a person who's obsessively self-absorbed and boastful to the point of being obnoxious.
Me!
Logomania, dipsomania, bibliomania, onomatopoeia, kleptomania, egomania. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.